different, I believe it's called 6 hats or 7 hats. This is for critical thinking. Okay, so you have a situation that you want to tackle. So you get the green hat is for hope. So you think about what's positive about the situation. Okay, then the red hat, it's all about warns. Okay, so it warns you. Okay, take care of this, take care of that.
Like danger.
Like danger. That's right. I don't know. I remember that the yellow hat was about giving data. So you share data, specific data about the situation, about the problem, okay? Then you have the black hat, which is all about not being negative, but being like too realistic, okay? So you put on the black hat when you want to think about something and you have to be realistic, okay? Then you can have the blue hat, and you try to
And mine, what does mine do?
Okay, let me show you.
Okay,
let me see. Oh, you have a green hat, so that has to do with hope.
Exactly. I'm very hopeful. So I put on the green hat, and just like being in Argentina here with Professor Gonzalo, it came with hope and faith. And so I think that's why I put on the green hat. I didn't even know I was wearing green. And so, hey, wherever you are, I think this is something that we can all practice in our classrooms. We can have, what about the orange? Prof, you didn't talk about the orange?
Oh, I like the orange. Probably the orange could be connecting ideas.
Connecting ideas.
Okay, so how can we connect this situation to another one to find a new solution?
Okay.
I like that one.
Okay. I love this one too, connecting ideas.
Yeah.
But I love that of the hope.
Obviously.
Yes, I love that of the hope. And I love the orange too, because we are connecting ideas.
Obviously.
And hey, I'm from Ghana, and I'm here in Argentina. Enhance on English.
Oh my.
Studio. And this is really hands-on English. So beyond just the words that we learn, you are learning underground. What is in the underground? You are looking at plane. What are the ideas that comes to mind when you look at plane, when you think about underground, and when you think about all the other things that you want to put together to make sense? In conclusion, so to you teachers out there, to you young people out there, keep hoping with a green heart. Keep connecting ideas with an orange heart. Put on the green heart and think critically about issues. The red hearts?
Good. Just getting warnings about something, okay?
Warning about things. But my favorite, and I'll keep saying, is a green.
Yeah.
There is hope in everything that you're doing. Don't stop it. Keep pushing, keep hoping, and you smile tomorrow. Ciao!